To be close to any one of those things, this heat really going to ramp up.
Yeah, someplace to cool yourself down because we do have high heat and humidity, and it's really not going anywhere for the foreseeable future. But today and tomorrow certainly look like our hottest days in that 7-day forecast. You're waiting on the sunrise over Richmond this morning, another pretty start to the day. And the temperatures right now in the low to mid 60s range for most locations, actually pretty seasonable for this time of year. 67 in the Providence area, upper 60s for Newport and Westerly, 65 in New Bedford, 63 in Taunton. The average low is in that mid 60s range, so we're close to that early this morning. Now the average high is 84. Yesterday we didn't hit 90. We hit 89 officially at TF Green Airport, but today we'll make it well into the 90s, tomorrow as well. And honestly, both weekend days will be hovering around 90 degrees. So we still have a shot at a heat wave here in southern New England for this stretch of heat and humidity. Also the record for today, 98 degrees, set all the way back in 1944. I don't think we get that hot, but it'll be close. So that just indicates how warm it's actually going to get today. The breeze is calm early this morning. Eventually it starts to pick up out of the southwest. It's going to bring our temperatures and our dew points much higher than where they're at right now. At the moment, dew points are on that muggy side of things, but they're going to come up into the uncomfortable side of things as we head through later today. And when we look at this muggy factor graph here, you can see we are sticking with that high humidity range through today, through tomorrow, through Saturday, through Sunday, through Monday, through Tuesday. It really isn't until late Tuesday into the middle part of next week that we get some relief from the high humidity levels where those dew points are coming up into that low 70s range. And when you factor in the actual temperatures in the low 90s and the humidity, this is how we'll be feeling later this afternoon. You're talking about feel-like temperatures, those heat indices coming up into the upper 90s for our inland spots, sitting at 97, 98 degrees for a feel-like temperature later today. For inland locations closer to 100 degrees up in Norwood later this afternoon. And even at the coastline, those feel-like temperatures will be into the upper 80s and low 90s. And this is why we have that heat advisory in place for the area for today and for tomorrow. Similar heat index values for tomorrow coming up to that feeling like 100-degree range. It's the time that you, again, don't want to be doing strenuous activity outdoors. You want to stay hydrated. Check on the pets, the little kids, your elderly neighbors. Make sure everybody's finding a way to stay cool when we have this high heat and humidity. Satellite radar image is quiet. You'll see perfect sunshine today. It's honestly going to be a really great beach day with lots of sunshine and some patchy fog this morning that burns off pretty quickly, leaving us with mostly sunny conditions. There's a front up to our north and our west, but it kind of fizzles before it gets here. So we see sunshine, high pressure in control. Any rain shower activity today stays well to our north and our west. Overnight, some patchy fog, some clouds, and tomorrow there are a few more clouds around. We kind of go with that mix of sun and clouds for tomorrow. It is still hot, still humid, even with a few more clouds around. Now, this is 5 o'clock tomorrow. You're looking at some isolated showers and storms developing. This is the type of shower and storm activity that's hit or miss. It's not something everybody sees. The risk is low. If you get a downpour, good. We need the rain, and it doesn't look like we have any severe weather expected. Heading into Saturday, a lot of clouds around, some spotty showers around. It's still a warm and muggy day with pops of sunshine at times. It's not a washout by any means, certainly not a day that I would cancel any of your outdoor plans. Just be mindful that there may be a few spotty showers, especially in the morning. Mid-90s today, hot and humid, feeling 100 degrees, if not higher at times, with a breeze out of the south. As I mentioned, a really great beach day. Mid to upper 80s expected. UV index is very high. Rip current risk is very low, so you can get into the water and not have to worry about the rip current risk like we did with the last heat wave. Warm and muggy overnight, patchy fog with temperatures staying in the 70s, and tomorrow a hot, humid day. Temperatures still in the mid-90s range, feeling 100 degrees or higher. The slight chance of an isolated shower or storm late in the day. On Saturday, a few showers around, temperatures around 90. We'll watch the Saturday forecast pretty closely. Low 90s still on Monday, 90s into the start of next week. Again, it's not until the middle of next week that we get even just a break from the humidity.
You know, we could leave now. We could get a great spot at the beach.
You're right.
It's true.
You're right.
You might need to leave now in order to get one.
It's a good beach day.
Wow.
Wow. Today, probably one of the better beach days, but a long stretch of heat and humidity today and tomorrow really being the peak.
Okay. All right, Chelsea.
Take it
Thank
easy.
you.
Yep. Thanks, Chelsea.
Well, when